is ready. Good job, Momo. Let us now set out with this map. Oh dear, there has been a landslide ahead. The rescue vehicle won't be able to get in there. Everybody, there is very little time to waste. Let us pick up the lighter rescue tools and run into the disaster area with it. Help me locate these rescue tools. Cutting pliers. Jack. Pulley block. These are the rescue tools that I want to bring with. Electric saw. Loudspeaker. Rescue boots. I want to bring these rescue tools with me. Optical detector. Shovel. Protective mask. Where are all these rescue tools? Tripod. Oxygen tank. Medical kit. Good job. Let us set out for the disaster area right now. We will arrive at the heart of the disaster area once we pass through this tunnel. Remember to stay safe. Let us go. Press here to run forward. In aftershock, everybody face down on the ground. Press here to run forward. In aftershock, everybody face down on the ground. Here. Remember to crouch. It is very low here. Remember to crouch as you move forward. In aftershock, everybody face down on the ground. It is very low here. Remember to crouch as you move forward. In aftershock, everybody face down on the ground. Careful, you have to hop over the obstacle. In aftershock, everybody face down on the ground. In aftershock, everybody face down on the ground. We are almost past the tunnel. Good job so far. Quick, follow me into the disaster area. Awesome! You have finally completed the pre-rescue tasks. With all that effort, this is a bravery medal for you. Rescue team, come help us. Ho-Ho. Ho-Ho's gone missing. Slow down a little, Miss May-May. What exactly happened to Ho-Ho? I had told the children to head to a safe place when the earthquake happened. However, I realized that Ho-Ho was missing, and I had only been able to find his hat. Please do not worry. The search dog has a very sensitive nose, and we will definitely be able to locate Ho-Ho. What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. Clear out the obstacles as quickly as you can. Is someone there? Is someone there? What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. There seems to be something here. Is someone there? I'm over here. Are you Ho-Ho? I am Ho-Ho. Come save me, please. Don't be scared, Ho-Ho. Are you hurt? Oh, it's so dark in here, and I can't see anything. My leg hurts so much. Good boy, Ho-Ho. Hang in there for a little while more and don't cry. We are working to save you right now. First, we will have to open up a hole in the wall. Hand me a crowbar. Place the jack inside. Place the jack inside. Raise the jack a little. Oh no! A concrete block is in the way. Get ready to break it up. Don't be scared, Ho-Ho. We're on the way. First, wipe the face. Have some water, Ho-Ho. Ouch, it really hurts. Oh dear, Ho-Ho may have fractured his leg. Let's bandage it up first before moving it. and now we'll bring you out. Great! Ho-Ho, you are safe now.
Ho-Ho, can you tell us how you protected yourself during the earthquake?
It happened during PE class. I was not feeling well and stayed alone in the classroom. The sudden earthquake frightened me. I put my school bag on my head and hid under the desk, as my teacher said. It was all dark around me, and my leg was hurting badly. I was so frightened. And then I remembered my teacher saying that I should not be crying or yelling loudly. Instead, I should try to conserve my energy, because someone will eventually come for me.
You did the right thing, Ho-Ho. Awesome.
Thank you so much, rescue team. You have managed to locate Ho-Ho, even with all the difficulties and danger present. This is a bravery badge for you. Factory rescue!
Oh no! Fire! Run away in the direction opposite to the fire! Place a handkerchief or piece of clothing over the mouth and nose. Smoke rises upwards. Bend over or crouch as you move forward to avoid choking on the smoke. Never take the elevator in the event of a fire. The fire has not spread to the ground level. Head down quickly using the stairs. Great, you are here.
Mayor, what is the situation now at that building?
The warehouse over there is on fire, and I have just made it out. There are many important goods inside the warehouse, and we have to move them quickly.
Take a deep breath, Mayor. Hank, let us first put out the fire and then ship the goods.
No problem.
Drag the firefighting lance to put out the fire. Put the fire out as quickly as possible. Put the fire out as quickly as possible.